hamwe na atumia makiurio methe manena kuhuthira aborogoto cia ubangi wa uciari cia kuma mwena wa China iria cioikaine ta Sofia amunejikirira mukana guku bururi-ini na gukirikana ni iracungereria thina miri-ini ya ahuthiri. Amurugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ubangi wa uciari ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Albert Ndwiga augite gukinyiria riu gutiri dawa ya ubangi wa uciari thundurito iria mundu agirire ni kunywa borogoto imwe tu hari mweri ta uria dawa ino ikoretwo ikihuthirwo. Kate Muthoni we na riboti ino.
Miaka 10 mihituku niguo bodi ya dawa guku bururi-ini yarutire mukana wa kurugamia wendia na uhuthiri wa dawa cia ubangi wa uciari cia bururi wa China iria cioikaine ta Sofia, undu uria watumire firigisheni cia kweheria dawa ici thoko-ini itafanio mwaka-ini wa 2014 amu kwerekanaga dawa ici ciari na thumu uria wathararagia ugima wa mwiri wa ahuthiri. Ona thengia wa mukana ucio wendia wa borogoto ici no urathi na mbere guku bururi-ini mugaru na watho gukirikana ati atumia na iritu magirire kunywa borogoto imwe tu o mweri-ini agateithiriria gubanga uciari, na nikio riu ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irutete mukana wa kurugamia uhuthiri wa dawa ici.
A woman takes 1 tablet a month. The analysis that was done by Dr. Ndwiga, my colleague at the University of Nairobi through the national lab, showed that the tablet is not herbal at all. It contains very, very high levels of estrogen and progesterone that are toxic to a lot of people.
Kuringana na ndagitari uria urugamirire ruhonge rwa ubangi wa uciari Albert Ndwiga, gicunje kia 50 hari 100 kia atumia aria mahuthagira dawa ici nikiohaga nda ona thengia wa gucihuthira na kuona ni dawa iri na thumu. Ciana iria atumia aya magiaga ikoragwo na mathina ta gukura gwa ciega cia uciari na ihenya gukira uria kwagirire.
When that tablet fails, which is most of the times, you see children born and they experience a lot of effects from what their mother took. We've seen children being born and they develop what we call precocious puberty. You start developing secondary sexual characteristics at a very early age. Others, boys, fail to develop secondary sexual characteristics, which include, of course, genital growth.
Ona ciana iria irongairerikana no ikinyirwo ni thumu wa dawa ici, na nikio riu ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite atumia metheme nacio amu gukinyiria riu gutire dawa ithunduritwo iria ingibanga uciari thutha wa mutumia kunywa borogoto imwe tu hari o mweri.
As far as the Ministry of Health is concerned, we have already done and we continue to do public warning that these products are not safe, these products are not good.
And it is very sad because people are still taking that pill. Tell them it is dangerous. They should stop. Only use the contraceptives that have been approved by the Pharmacy and Poisons Board.
Uthuthuria uria tafanitio rabu-ini ya thirikari ya guthurima wagiriru wa indo wonanitie ati dawa ino iri na hinya maita mana ukiringithania na dawa ingi cia ubangi wa uciari. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.